Yes, welcome back to my children students. Still we are continuing the 2 marks questions only. I have taken from the polynomials chapter. So where you need to find the sum and the zeros, and you need to find the zeros of the polynomial. I have written already 2 questions. So first we are going to solve the first one. So x square minus 2x minus 8 is there. So the coefficient of x square is a, that is 1. Coefficient of x is b minus 2 and constant is c minus 8. We need to find the zeros. Means how we are going to find out? Actually the question 2 marks means just you need to find the zeros. You can use the formula, that is sum of zeros means sum of zeros we need to find is equal to minus b by a. To find the sum of zeros, the formula is minus b by a. And to find the product of zeros, the formula is c by a. The zeros you are finding, students. If they ask you to verify it, then it will be for 3 marks. So as we are solving only 2 marks questions now, directly I have taken minus b by a, minus of b is also minus 2, a is 1. So the answer is minus into minus, it is plus. 1 0 is 2. Another 0 is minus 8 by 1. So it is answer is minus 8. Therefore we can take, we are calling the zeros as alpha and beta. Alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 8. So if you answer this much, you will be getting 2 marks. Now similarly in the other question, you can write in the second question, what are a, b and c? So here a is equal to 6, coefficient of x square a is 6, coefficient of, coefficient of x is minus 7, b is minus 7. If you don't understand, I will just show you. Constant is minus 3. If you don't understand this, so what you do? Rearrange the polynomial in a standard form. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now you can write a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to minus 3. Now find minus b by a, that is minus of minus 7 divided by 6. So the answer becomes 7 by 6. We cannot divide it, so just we keep it as it is. Now the product of zeros is c by a, c is minus 3, a is 6, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So the answer is minus 1 by 2. So this way you will be getting 2 marks questions, children. So next, they will give sum and product of zeros. Sum of zeros directly they will give. Product of zeros also they will give. And they will ask you to frame an equation. Now if I take one example, 1 and minus 4 is given. Sum of zeros is equal to 1. Product of zeros is equal to minus 4. You need to form a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. How we are going to form now? So we know that sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. This is equal to, already they have given sum is 1. Product of zeros is equal to c by a, it is 4, minus 4 they have given. So to frame a polynomial, we have the formula as x square into bracket alpha plus beta you can take, that is sum of zeros, or you can directly write sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros, alpha into beta. So this we call it as alpha plus beta. This is equal to alpha into beta. Now x square minus alpha plus beta is 1 into x plus alpha into beta is 4. So you will be getting x square minus 6 plus 4. So this is how you need to solve to frame the quadratic polynomial. So this will also be, you can expect it for 2 marks questions here. Next, we are going to take 2 marks questions of quadratic equations. The polynomial and equation difference is just, if you make it equal to 0, then it is quadratic equation. If you don't write equal to 0, then it is a quadratic polynomial. So quadratic equation almost you will be getting to solve by either by factorization method or by formula method. For 2 marks 100% you will get, children. So first I will show you by factorization method. 2x square minus, or you can just take x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Solve this by factorization method. So how we are going to find the factors? This 6 you are going to write here. If you write it, find its products. So factors are 1 into 6, 3 into 2. 4 factors are there. If you take 1 into 6, but when you subtract 6 minus 1, you should get 5. Okay, you will get minus 6. If you take plus 1, you will get minus 5, correct. But when you multiply, 6 ones are 6, minus into plus, it will be minus. So these are not the factors now. Now we will check with the another factors, that is 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6. Here we want plus 6 means I may take plus, but when you add it will be plus 5. So it will be wrong now. Now what to take? If you take 1 plus 1 minus, what happens? Plus into minus, here again it is minus. So what you have to do here is both minus you have to take. Minus into minus you will add 3 plus 2 5. Greater number symbol is minus. Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. So these are the two factors. Now it is easy to solve. Write minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now group them. So x into, if you take x common, remains x minus 3 minus 2 common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is 2 3s are 6. Now overall x minus 3 is common. So x minus 3 remains x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. If you transpose, you will be getting either x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. So this is the form. Solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. So in my next video, I will be continuing with the to solve quadratic equation by formula method. That also will be for 2 marks question, children. 100% it will be, you will be getting it.